Okay. Hello. Sean's got a new haircut today, but most importantly, there's a new toy. No, it's not a toy. It's something very serious, actually. Something very important. It's a special thing called a tablet.
Tablet.
Yeah, tablet.
In italiano si dice tablito.
Okay, but let's say it in English. Tablet. Tablet that Raul and Lisa sent especially for you.
Yes, sì.
Yeah, and I think you'll have
proprio speciale.
È proprio speciale.
Proprio specialissimo.
And I think you'll have lots of fun. But you have to treat it very carefully, okay? You know? Okay. All right. Here it is. Daddy's going to show it to you. Look at what it is.
Samsung.
Io sai che cos'è questo? Che c'è scritto? Che c'è scritto qua? Swipe. Screen. To. Unlock. Passa il dito così.
Swipe means to move your finger across it.
Wow, che è successo? No, passa così.
Posso fare YouTube?
Dopo fai YouTube. Aspetta, adesso fai YouTube. Aspetta.
Okay, there's lots of special things to do on this tablet.
Like. Spingi qua. Questo sulla A. Piano. Wow, che vuoi fare? Lowercase, uppercase, shapes or numbers? What do you want to do? Ok, fai così, devi fare così col dito, guarda. Fare
With
così.
your finger, like it's a pencil.
Così. Segui la freccia. Wow. E poi vai avanti con la freccia. Next. Next. Ok, you know how it works.
Got it?
Ecco qui.
Ok, ti piace questo gioco?
Sì, mi piace molto.
Ok, glielo puoi dire lì a Raul e Lisa? Grazie Raul, grazie Lisa.
Grazie Raul, grazie Lisa.
Ok. Ok.
Hours of writing fun and others, because there's other games to do on here too.
Ok.
Oh, what was that?
Io.
The E. What? Follow the direction of the arrows,
Follow the
Sean.
arrow.
Okay. All right, and I'll see you in 6 hours when you get off this thing. Okay. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
You can look at Raul and Lisa and wave.
Okay, I know.
You know, well, look up at the camera and wave then.
Fai così.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.